Hello, welcome friends. Today we will learn how to install WordPress website on live server. So for this we have to go our Chrome browser and go to our hosting link. This is my hosting link. I have to log in on it. Click on sign in. We can see this is our hosting dashboard. Now I have to click on WordPress. This is WordPress. I have to click on it. After that I have to select our domain. This is my primary domain. I have already created couple of subdomain. So this I want to install WordPress on this domain. For this I have to select this domain. Directory optional, this is not required right now. Now click install WordPress. Just click on it. It takes some time to complete processing. Oh nice, after some time you can see your WordPress install has complete successfully. Now I have to click on link. We have to select English United States, then click on continue. Now I have to type site title. This is my first project. We can type our website name, our brand name. Now I type my first project. I have to input some username. I also use this name, my first project. Now I have to write password. This is a default password. I think it is okay. Now I have to type an email. I will put my email, then check mark this. Now click on install WordPress. Oh, now it is installed successfully. I have to save this password and username. Click on save. Now we have to log in. Click on logged in. Now my first project, this is my user and password. Click on it and check mark remember me, then click on logged in. If you want to get professional tips and tricks for this, you have to subscribe my YouTube channel. Also you have to click on bell icon and please follow my Facebook page. Thank you.